Another one, guys. Nice one. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We're back out here on the water today. As you can tell, we're going to be doing a little creek fishing. We're at a creek I haven't been to in a couple years. We're trying out a new location I've never been to before. And as I stated in the last video, I just brought the bank and creek tackle kit, and that's all we're going to use today. See what we can catch. So stay tuned, see what happens. Alright, here we go. First off, we're going to start out with this Rebel middle weed crawl here. Let's see what we can do with it. I'm throwing a ultralight rod. It's the Lew's Mac Light Speed Stick. It's a 6.9 ultralight fast action. Just got 4-pound fluoro on here. Let's see what we can catch here. Anything up here? I think it's these rocks. There we go, got one. There you go, first fish. Oh, it came off. Well, it's good to see they're biting. Look at there, got a nice little smallie. There we go. Tiny fish, but hey. Yeah, this one. A little dink, but hey, it's a fish. Here we go, guys, another one. Oh, it's a nice one, guys. Nice creek smallmouth. Nice creek smallie. Look at that, check that out. Check out that nice little 10, 12 incher. Beautiful fish. Get a picture of him here. There you go, another one. That's another one. Fighting good. There we go. Awesome, there we go. Another creek smallie. That's a nice one there, guys. Check that out. Nice smallmouth. Alright, let's get a release on them. Alright guys, so we've been fishing this little Rebel medium weed crawl, I think it's called, from the Bank and Creek lure kit. We caught a couple of decent smallmouth, I think 3 fish total. So we've been using it for about an hour now. I think we're gonna switch it up and try the old Helgermite, see what we can do. All right. I think I'm going to throw on the, let's see, the 1/16 Great Lakes Finesse jig head. I'm going to pair that with the 2.4-inch Juicy Helgermite in matte black. I think that's going to do well. We got a lot of deep pockets in this creek. So let's see how this goes. There you go, got one on the Helgermite. There we go. A nice little smallie on the Helgermite. Awesome. Check that out. I'm glad they bit the Helgermite. Get a release on them. There we go. That's another one, guys. Good fight fish. There we go. Oh boy. There we go. Nice one. Come on, buddy. There you go. Check that out, guys. Another nice one on the Helgermite. Nice creek. Big smallmouth there. Nice. Let's get a release on them. That's another one. Another one on the Helgermite. Another nice little creek smallie. Get a release on him. There he goes. There we go, got one. Nice one. Another nice one, guys. Nice smallie on the hugger mite. There we go. Check that nice smallie guys. Nice creek smallie. Like you see in there where he's got some pinchers in it, it's like he's eating some crawfish. Nice. And right here, right up under the bridge, right where I walked in, that's get a good release on him. There he goes. Alright folks, that's going to do it for this video. Once again, this creek did not disappoint. We caught a lot of smallmouth. I didn't even think I was going to catch smallmouth at all. I was planning on catching just a bunch of sunfish. So thank you for watching, and if you liked, please like and subscribe. Comment down below if you want to see some new things, and just let me know how you enjoy the content. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.